In a warm climate, we don't grow wisteria vines, mainly because they don't flower very well. The alternative we have is the blue wreath vine, known as Petrea, also the sandpaper vine. And behind me is a really good example of how you can use it commercially in a landscape. Fair enough, the base part doesn't look very impressive, but right at the top, it's starting to flower. And it's worth looking at and thinking about ways of using particular plants as we normally don't grow them. So this is a wall exposed, and right towards the top, you've got the blue wreath or the Petrea growing up it. Consider growing this plant in places where other climbers may not work. The foliage is lost at the base, but it still looks pretty good and makes a really good wall of green when it's foliage, but also the blue flowers at the top. I don't mind the exposed naked stems. I think it gives a nice natural effect, as though you're in a forest, a rainforest. You know, when you're in a forest, all the foliage is at the top, all the flowers are at the top. All you see are the trunks, the vines, the lianas. This is a really good representation, a replication of nature. So give it a go. Petrea volubilis, the blue wreath vine, also known as the sandpaper vine. Hope you've enjoyed this little video.